Beautiful. Joy to watch if you're a cricket fan. 4 for 520.
It's glorious, and that'll run away for 4. Magnificent cover drive.
Found the gap. Has got enough on it. There's.
It's a good simple. A length delivery from Flintoff, and look at that. That's technically brilliant. They say Jacques Kallis has a wonderful cover drive. Watch this. Watch the front elbow and the bending front knee and the
What a glorious shot. What a glorious shot. Raising this 50. 50 for Lara.
More here, that's beautifully played. Sweet timing from Michael Vaughan.
Just all he has to do is use the extra pace of Brett Lee. Beautiful.
Lovely shot from Sangakkara. Great balance, and it's really good to see him back playing and fighting for his country and leading from the front.
Look at the timing. Beautifully timed.
Folks, this is a perfect cover drive. Perfect cover drive. Batting coaches to your young chargers.
Oh, that's a good shot. Drive it, clinical, onto the front foot. Beautiful stroke through the offside field for 4. Oh, what an over that was. It's 1 for 25.
Get that shot. And he goes again, it'll find the gap. Has it got enough on it? Of course it does. It flies across this outfield. It was the enthusiastic Brad Hogg after it, but no way he was going to pull it in. So 3 in a row.
You certainly don't want to be a 36-year-old standing at mid-off when Tendulkar's batting, because then you'll have to do a lot of chasing. This is a long...